Hey everyone, it's Sandy here, and I am going to share with you an update to my gratitude journal. I think the last day I left off, it was November 11th, and today is Saturday the 23rd, and I am caught up to date. So I am really liking this simple approach that I took. It's helping me just to stay with it, and you know, when I put too much embellishing, I fall behind, and then I don't want to finish it. But I have really kept up with this, and I really enjoy it. So let me just jump right in and go ahead and share day 12 with you. Day 12, I put a picture of my mother-in-law, my husband, Gabby, Isabel, and my father-in-law. And on this day, I put today I was thankful for the relationship I have with my mother-in-law and my father-in-law. Our relationship has grown into something great over the year, and I have learned to count on them, to trust in them, and it feels like family. I put love you both. Yeah, because our relationship has changed a lot over the year, and they're really involved with us and with my kids, and I really appreciate that about them. And so I wanted to be thankful. They came over and ate dinner with us that night, so we were, actually it was funny because my mom likes this song called, I think it's called 10,000 Reasons or something, but it's Bless the Lord, Oh My Soul. And the girls know it by heart. And it turns out my father-in-law likes it too, so we were listening to it on the iPod off of one of those speakers, you know, and the girls were singing it. We had a really good time that night with them, so that's for there. For day 13, I have this picture of Isabel and Gabby. And I just put on this one that I was thankful for Isabel and, or actually for my neighbor who had this huge pile of leaves, and the girls were playing in it and jumping and running and just doing all kinds of things because we don't have a big tree in our yard, and so he had this huge pile and the girls had a great time in it, so I put that on there. For day 14, I included my brother. This is my big brother, Gabriel, and my sister-in-law, Dahlia. And for day 14, I put that I was thankful for my brother, Gabriel. And I put, even though we live 5 hours away and only see each other once a month or so, whenever we talk, it's like no time has passed. We pick up right where we left off, and we talk about everything. And I just put I love you. And I put my sister-in-law's pretty awesome, too, so yeah. So it's just, we have a really close relationship. You know, we don't have to struggle for conversation. We always pick up where we left off, and it's great. So I was thankful for my big brother. And then day 15, look at that Starbucks, yay, and the red cups, and I had snowman cookies in there. So on this day, it was cold. I didn't know it was supposed to rain. I believe it was last Friday. And it was rainy, gloomy, and it was cold outside. And so I put for November 15th that I was thankful for Starbucks. And after a crazy day at work and cold rain, this is what made me happy. So I like the way that page came out. I'm sorry, I can't get comfortable here. Okay. Day 16, I put, right here it says, today I'm thankful for my neighbor Tommy and Stacy. We came home today to find this Christmas M&M on our front porch. Excuse me. It made me laugh so hard, and it made Gabby so happy, and I put I love them like family. They get way into Christmas, and Tommy does, and he just loves it. So he had like 20 something blow-ups last year in his yard, and he had them arranged really cute and stuff, but this year he wanted to only do about 10 or so, so he sold quite a bit of them. And he had this M&M, and Gabby went over there and she would play with it, and we went out to eat dinner with him one night, and she was like, Tommy, can I have the M&M? And he's like, yeah, but I hadn't thought about it at all since then. And then we were out all day, and when we came home, I saw this glowing on our red porch, and I knew what it was. It was so funny, and it just tickled me so much. And we're really close to our neighbors, so it's just great to have neighbors like that too. I love our street. We just know everybody knows the kids, and it's great. So that just tickled me to death that that was out there. It was just so funny. So I put that. And for day 17, I put a picture of me and Lisa, and this is day 1, I think, at the crop when I went to excuse me, I'm out of breath. So this is day 1. when I went to go visit her, day 2, whatever, day 1 at the crop, I believe. So this was for November 17th, and I put that I was thankful for my sister, and then I put what? I said, I'm the only girl out of 4 brothers, but I feel like Lisa is a sister I never had. She's somebody I talk to in the morning. I always like, good morning, Lisa, on my Facebook, on the messenger thingy, and then she's always the one I say good night to at night, other than Richard. And then I just put that we talk about everything, our family, our husbands, our work, our love of scrapbooking, and that she's a sister that I never knew that I always wanted, because I didn't grow up wanting a sister. I wasn't like, oh, I wish I had a sister. I enjoyed having 4 brothers, and so I put she was a sister I never knew I always wanted. So I put a picture of us. For day 18, I have a picture of me and my mom, and I love this picture. We took this over the summer when we were in Florida, and anyways, so on Monday my mom got her test report. She had a full body scan. Quite a few years ago she had thyroid cancer, and she had her thyroid removed, so every now and again she would get scans, you know, a couple times a year, and she had a full body scan done the Friday, and Monday her doctor called and said, you know, she got a good report, everything looked great. So I put, you know, that she had a good report. Praise God, I love you, Mom. So glad that she got a good report back from her doctor. And on day 19 over here, I put this picture of my brother Steven, who is actually 2 years older than me, and I put that I'm thankful for him because he's always there to answer any medical questions that I have, or computer questions that I might have at any time of the day. And I put he's such a great dad and a really good brother. But yeah, he's what do you call it, in nuclear medicine, you know, where they do, I don't know what they do, honestly. But anyway, so every time I'm like, oh, this is how she's feeling, blah, 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 and he like tells me, oh, don't worry about it, or oh, just keep an eye on her, or whatever. So I like that I can call him and bug him about stuff like that. And for day 20, I put, here's a picture of my mom and my dad, and actually this is from last December when we were cutting down our Christmas tree, but I love this picture of them. And I put, today I'm thankful for my dad. I love him so much. And I'm so excited that he's taking my mom to Hawaii for their 50th anniversary. See, Mom, he was listening all these years. I put love you, Daddy, because my mom, it's always been her dream to go to Hawaii. And they're going to be married 50 years in December, and my dad's taking her to Hawaii in January. And I was just so excited. I was like, see, Mom, all these years you thought he wasn't listening. He was, and now he's taking you. So I just think that's awesome. So I love that picture of them. I hope they have a great time when they go. And then for November 21st, I put that I was thankful that I found this. I'm not going to say it in case you have kids in the room, but I was glad that I found this in the store, because the girls had been wanting, anytime they talked about the ELF, they wanted a girl one, and I found one in Target, so I was so excited, so I picked it up. So hopefully Santa will send her our way the 1st of December. And then on November 22nd, I took a picture of my phone, because I put that I was thankful for my iPhone, because I can talk to my parents, my brother, my husband, my daughter. I can text my daughter. I can talk to Lisa in Canada every day, all day, any time of the day. And I formed so many friendships, and I received so many encouragement from YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I'm so thankful for all the things my phone can do. So I know that's kind of silly, but think about how much we depend on that thing. So yeah, so it's fun. You know, I can text Ellen in Belgium, and I can text Carla in Japan. I'm over here talking to Lisa in Canada and my mom a few hours away. I mean, that's just pretty amazing. So who would have thought, right? So anyway, so I was thankful for my iPhone. And then today, which is Saturday, November the 23rd, I put, today I'm grateful that my mom has taught my girls the words to her favorite song. I love to hear them randomly sing, "Bless the Lord, oh my soul." And they say, oh, it's Nana's favorite song. So when they sing this at church, they're like, Mom, we sang Nana's favorite song today. Or they'll be playing it outside, and they're just starting to sing it. And I just love it. So I looked it up on YouTube, and I took a screenshot of this. So I just love that about, you know, I love that they know my mom's favorite song. So anyways, that is everything. So wow, look, November's almost over, and then I'll share with you these random things that I've been asking the kids and stuff to write about, so at the end. But yeah, so there's my book. If you have any questions, let me know. And this has been a lot of fun to do this. I am so glad that I have kept up with it and just kept it simple. That's what's been the easiest and the best thing about it, was the fact that I did keep it simple. So anyways, I'll talk to you girls later. Bye.